All right, hey, I'm Travis with Dometic. I'm here in the Adrenaline Industries F550 Overland Truck, and wanted to explain a couple of the features that they've incorporated into the truck from Dometic and why those Dometic products make this Adrenaline series product work better. So for the AC, we're using a 12 volt air conditioner. It's a RTX 2000 and it runs completely off 12 volt. And with this setup, with what is it, 1100 watts of solar and 700 amp hours battery, you can cool this cabin really efficiently and not use that much battery. It has great cooling capacity and only draws about 20 amps when it's running. So if you have a bigger battery bank like this rig has, you can run this air conditioner almost indefinitely, and it's super quiet. You don't have to run a generator. You don't have to wake up your neighbors. Hopefully those neighbors are just the seals and the seagulls, but it's a quiet ride. It's a quiet life, and super efficient cooling. So when nature calls, we have the Dometic CTX10 cassette toilet. It's super comfortable, super efficient, and makes getting outdoors easy, clean, safe, and sanitary. So this is the business end of the Dometic cassette toilet. It's a really easy operation. You're not hooking hoses up to the rig and dumping at a dump station. Really what you're doing is just pulling this cassette out. It's super clean, super easy. You have a discharge port here and you can dump that into your dump station or a regular toilet where you might find it. So we've got the Dometic 9500 awning, and a couple really cool features about this. Number one, it's super solid without stanchions that come off the ends of the awning, right? So it's totally self-supported and you don't need to guide this thing out. Now, if the wind would happen to pick up, it's got a wind sensor on it and it'll retract itself if the wind gets nasty.